Got my water, got my vase, and got my flowers. Everything you see here, I just picked from outside. I have cosmos, bachelors buttons, different colors, roses. I even picked dandelions. This is gonna be interesting. I've never put dandelions in an arrangement, so we'll see how that works out. Some stock. Actually, these are Snapdragons. I'll show you guys. If you've ever wondered why they are called Snapdragons, let me show you. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, I'm gonna arrange all of these in here. Let's go. I'm thinking of switching vases to a tall one because this is not giving me the preferred look I want. Like, no. Just no. And I'm gonna try this, and I know it's crazy and it might not work, but I still really want to try. I just made a grid using your regular smuggler Scotch tape, so these can stay and not fall straight to the bottom. Okay, so far it's working. All I'm doing is just placing flowers randomly into the grid, like so, where I think they will look nice or fill up. Or I'm trying to angle them so that they stick out and not go straight down. I still have those flowers left, and this is what it's starting to look like. I still need to fill in some gaps. I like it. I really like the wildflower look, so this is giving me life right now. We have some progress, filled it in more. These really filled it in when I added them. Added some more bachelors button, and the dandelions are actually looking kind of cute in here. So, gonna fill it in, and then I'll show you the end product. Okay, so this is my final masterpiece, if you will. I'm satisfied with it. I like that it's wild, it's crazy. It reminds me of how my flowers look outside, and I just love them. Here it is from the top. It's very pretty. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.